Assalamualaikum everyone and good evening. My name is Nur Alia Fatiha binti Muhammad Hairul. So today we would like to presenting about the use of artificial intelligence or AI in Shopee. AI has become one of the most important technologies in today's business world. It helps organizations improve efficiency, automate routine tasks, analyze large amount of data, and supports better decision making. The e-commerce industry is one of the sectors that benefits greatly from AI technology. AI helps online shopping platforms understand customer preferences, provide personalized recommendations, improve customer service, and optimize logistics operations. These capabilities enable businesses to offer faster and more convenient shopping experiences. Shopee, one of the leading e-commerce platforms in Southeast Asia, has successfully integrated AI into many areas of its operations. The platform uses AI-powered recommendation system to suggest products based on customer browsing and purchasing histories. Shopee also uses chatbots to answer customer inquiries efficiently and machine learning algorithm to detect fraudulent activities and improve transaction security.
Hi, good evening. My name is Nur Sabrina binti Sabi Bahari. Today, I would like to introduce Shopee, a leading e-commerce platform founded in Singapore in 2015 and owned by Sea Limited. Shopee operates across Southeast Asia, Taiwan, and Brazil, offering products such as electronics, fashion, beauty, home appliance, and groceries. The platform also provides services like Shopee Pay, SPayLater, logistics support, and seller advertising solution. With its user-friendly platform, AI-powered recommendation, and strong logistic network, Shopee continues to be one of the most popular online shopping platforms, competing with Lazada, TikTok Shop, and Amazon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faris Aina binti Muhammad Sharul, and I'm going to continue in AI application user in Shopee. Okay, artificial intelligence play an important role in Shopee platforms. First, AI provide personalized product recommendations based on customer browsing and purchasing history. This help user to find product more easily and increase sales. Secondly is chatbot. Shopee use AI chatbot to provide 24 hours support, and also customer can check out order status and refunds and product informations instantly without waiting for human agents. And the third one is fraud detections and security. AI help detect fraud and suspicious activity, making online transactions more safety and for both buyer and also seller. Lastly is AI-powered data analyze help Shopee understand customer trends, support, and better business decisions. For example, if a customer frequent search for skincare product, Shopee will automatically recommend a similar product. This make shopping more faster and also more convenient. Next, in daily operations, for the first one is the customer service and efficiency. AI has significantly improved Shopee daily operations. In customer service, AI chatbot in customer service, AI chatbot can handle thousands of inquiries at the same time, reduce the need of the large customer service team. AI also improve inventory management by predicting order to reach customer faster and at the lower cost. And additionally, AI continue monitor transaction to detect fraud and protect customer information. For example, instead of hiring many staff to answer simple questions, Shopee use AI chatbot to respond instantly and also reduce manpower requirements, lower operations costs, and also allow employees to focus more on the complex tasks.
So firstly, decision making helps Shopee better understand customer needs by analyzing customer behavior, preferences, and feedback. This allows Shopee to provide products and services that meet customer expectations. Secondly, it enables faster and more accurate decisions. With access to real-time data, Shopee can quickly respond to market trends and changes in customer demand. Thirdly, decision making improves business strategies by helping the company identify opportunities, solve problems, and allocate resources more effectively. In addition, it enhances operational efficiency by improving inventory management, logistic processes, and overall business performance. Lastly, effective decision-making drives innovation and business growth. By using data insight, Shopee can develop new ideas, improve customer experiences, and remain competitive in the e-commerce industry.
Shopee strategic impact and digital transformation. Shopee has transformed the retail industry by connecting millions of buyers and sellers through a digital platform. This helps SMEs expand their market reach and support the growth of the digital economy. Shopee also uses advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and machine learning to improve customer experience and business operation. In addition, services like Shopee Pay, SPayLater, and Shopee Live enhance online shopping through cashless payments, efficient logistics, and interactive shopping experience. Overall, Shopee continues investment in digital innovation, strengthen its competitive advantage, and drive the digital transformation.
It's not other than Idris. Now I want to continue impact on people and job roles. The first is automatic repetitive tasks. AI have automated repetitive tasks such as answering common customer inquiries and tracking order. This reduces the workload of employees and allow tasks to be complete more efficiently. The next is focus employees on complex issue. When routine tasks are handled by AI, employees can focus on more complex customer issue that require human judgment, communication, and problem-solving skill. Third is improves productivity and efficiency. With AI support, employees can complete their work faster and more accurately. This increases overall productivity and improve operational efficiency with Shopee. The next is encourage upskill and digital literacy. AI encourages employees to learn new digital skills and become more familiar with technology. This helps them adapt to the changing workplace and remain competitive in the digital era. The next is create new job opportunities. Although AI automates certain tasks, it also creates new career opportunities in areas such as data analysis, cybersecurity, digital marketing, and AI management. The last is support human AI collaboration. AI support collaboration between human and technology. At Shopee, AI assists employees by providing information and automating simple tasks, while employees make important decisions and solve complex problems. This teamwork helps improve productivity and service quality. Next.
Challenges, risks, and ethical issue. Challenges, data management. AI needs a lot of accurate data. Managing data from millions of users and sellers is difficult. Poor data can make AI less effective. High cost. AI implementation requires a lot of money and technology. Shopee needs skills, workers, and continuous system updates. Employees also need training to use AI. Risk, data security. Customer information may be exposed through cyber attacks. Data breaches can cause financial loss and damage Shopee's reputation. AI errors. AI may give wrong products, recommendation, or predictions. System failures can affect business operations and customer satisfaction. For ethical issues, bias. AI may unfairly favor certain products or sellers. This can create unfair competition in the marketplace. Next, transparency and jobs. Users may not know how AI makes decisions. Automation may reduce some job opportunities. Shopee should help employees learn a new skill. Next.
Okay, last but not least, for our topic is recommendation and future improvement for Shopee. For the first one, recommendation is to enhance AI and predictive analytics. This can help Shopee forecast customer demand more accurately and support better decision making. The second recommendation is to strengthen data security in order to protect customer information and maintain customer trust. Third, Shopee should improve customer feedback analysis so that it can be better understand customer needs and expectations. Another recommendation is to increase employee data literacy through regular training. This will help employees make more informed and data-driven decisions. Finally, Shopee should expand real-time monitoring systems to enable faster responses to market changes and operational challenges. For future improvement, Shopee should continue investing in technology, innovation, and data-driven strategies. This effort will help improve customer satisfaction, strengthen business performance, and ensure sustainable growth in the
more efficiency, provide better customer service, and make more accurate business decisions. AI also supports Shopee's digital transformation and allow employees to develop new skills that are important in today's technology-driven workplace. Although there are challenges such as data privacy concern and job adaptation, the benefits of AI are much great. Therefore, Shopee should continue investing in AI technology and employees training to ensure sustainable growth in the future. Thank you.